Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a bulleted list in your website projects on Webflow Web Designer. So let us dive into this. So guys, as you can see, inserted a bulleted list to that example page. Let me show you how you can do it on a blank page. So let me navigate to the Pages menu in that Webflow Website Builder example page here. Let's go with the home page. Next, what you want to do is navigate to the given part of your page, like a section or a container. I will go with this container and place the bulleted list here. So what you want to do is navigate to the add elements section, choose elements, scroll down, and under basic, expand it if needed. Under basic, choose list. Position it, release your left mouse, and after that you may customize each of these bullet points. You can also here in your list settings select no bullets, or if you'd like to customize the list. And you can also navigate to show all settings here, and then, for example, change the visibility. Again, choose no bullet points here, and so on and so forth. So click into the given bullet point, edit relative content, ABC 1, 2, 3. And so on and so forth. And then here again. And that's how it works. That's how it works. You can also click into the component type here and convert it, for example, or select a different section of your page here. But you can do that also through the navigator on the left hand side. And navigate through your bulleted list here, and then also customize each bullet point by clicking into that gear icon here, change the content, or navigate to the settings here again. Then you may navigate to the style tab here on the right hand side, and for example choose a different style for the bulleted list, like numbered lists, for instance. As you can see, that bulleted list has been converted into bullet point 3, so it's a numbered list now. Or you can go with letters, and go through all of these settings here: the layout, the spacing, effects, add borders to the bullet list, and customize it as any other component of your website you like. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.